Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Celeste.Barr with eXp Realty, and I'm with Ralph.Saile with New American Funding. I get that right?
Yep.
Yay!
Yeah, that's it.
Anyways, we had one more idea that we wanted to run by you, and we want to make sure you get this. The name of the program is called
U-Qual. New American Funding has a program called U-Qual, where basically what we do is we help borrowers who might have maybe some credit issues, or they're not quite ready, they have some debt they want to try to get rid of. So we have a whole team that actually helps kind of walk through this program and handhold people that may need, just some assistance to try to get mortgage ready.
What does that cost?
So the initial cost is $69, so it's very reasonable, and then there is a monthly fee as well, I believe $49. But what we do, and it usually takes 3, 4, or 5 months, probably tops for most people, maybe even less, and we offer you a $500 closing cost credit on any purchase once you are ready to buy a home. So that's basically recouped.
So let's take this one step further. I have a borrower. Let's say the borrower currently is sitting at 580 on their credit score or less. They go through this program. We're able to get their credit score up. What magic credit score or credit scores, because I know there are 3 reporting services, what does that score need to look like in order for them to really be in the sweet spot?
Okay, great question. So normally at least 580 for an FHA loan. The higher the score, usually the better the deal. So it's usually better.
What does that mean?
It means conventional. There's conventional, and then there's FHA. But FHA is more lenient.
What
with
about that interest
score.
rate? Is that what you're saying? Is
yes.
The deal is it's more expensive? So
FHA, it can vary with a lower credit score. Normally, between 580 and 620, for example, you're probably not going to get dinged too much. But if you have, let's say, 640, 660, 680, and higher, you're going to start getting a little bit better interest rate. So what we do is obviously try to maximize that any way possible.
Okay. And one of the things that most people don't know about is the idea of what kind of a loan should I be going for? You don't need to know. I mean, you do, but what you need to do is reach out to someone like Ralph, and he'll walk you through why you have a better interest rate on this program versus this program, or why you're eligible for one or the other. Because your quality of credit is a direct barrier on, do you get the better credit score or better interest rate, or do you need to go with something that's an FHA, which allows you to have a little bit less stellar credit. So
okay.
That's it?
Yeah, so it's really just between 3 to 3.5%. Conventional is starting at 3%, FHA is 3.5%.
And that's how much you have to put down.
All right, so that's your down payment.
Yeah.
And again, a reminder, we do have down payment assistance with the state of Illinois up to $10,000, but you do need a 640 minimum credit score for that. And that you can also do FHA and conventional with the IHDA program.
So an FHA or the IHDA program with
so they're both
conventional.
Available, conventional or FHA.
Okay,
yeah.
or FHA. Okay. So I hope you understood what we just said. And if for some reason you didn't, it's okay. It really is. All you have to know is call the phone numbers that you see in the description below this video, and we will be there to help you. All right? Thank you so much again for staying tuned in, and we look forward to hearing from you. Take care.
Have a good day. And don't call Uncle Bob for mortgage advice. Call Ralph.
That was good. That was good.